In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of forwarding Namecheap emails to Gmail account using the BitRecover email backup wizard. To install our Namecheap to Gmail migrator, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Our tool allows users to back up multiple other email clients. Let's select Namecheap option for this tutorial. To begin, enter your Namecheap email address and then password, and click on the Login button. Scanning process will begin to load Namecheap data. Select or deselect folder for migration using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Gmail option for this tutorial. Enter your Gmail email address. Uncheck the Using Google OAuth authentication option to sign in with a Gmail app password. Again, select Using Google OAuth authentication option to begin the backup process. Next, simply click the Backup button. A new window will open asking to select the Gmail account to sign in with. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. After logging in, the transfer will begin. Once the transfer is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully transferred Namecheap mails. Click OK and open the Gmail mailbox to access the newly transferred mails.
Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.